This is Future Proof, the show that helps you stay ahead of AI at work. Today's question: which white-collar jobs are losing ground to AI right now? The wage data. The number that should scare you. According to the World Economic Forum, up to 85 million jobs globally could be displaced by AI by 2025, particularly in white-collar roles. In the United States, professional services, finance, and administrative support are already seeing significant shifts. What most employees don't realize is that while AI creates opportunities, it also reprices existing roles based on their vulnerability to automation. For instance, data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics indicates that salaries for roles like bookkeeping and accounting clerks are trending downward, now ranging from $45–65K, down by nearly 15% in some metropolitan areas. Hope exists for those willing to adapt. Take the case of a financial analyst who transitioned to incorporating AI tools into their workflow. By learning how to harness AI for data analysis, they increased their value, leading to offers at $90–130K, showcasing the income potential for those pivoting effectively. From the company's perspective, they favor efficiency over tradition. The hidden opportunity here is that roles requiring critical thinking, strategic oversight, and emotional intelligence are surprisingly resilient. However, the two-tier workforce structure is developing. On one side are the AI-augmented professionals who thrive through adaptation. On the other, those who risk becoming expendable. Here's what this means for your next paycheck. If your role is process-heavy with repeated tasks, it may be time for strategic upskilling. You need to assess whether your skill set is future-proof. Sales roles, for example, are evolving as AI takes over lead scoring and analysis. Traditional sales roles could see salaries drop from $70–100K to as low as $50–80K as companies shift focus to demand generation fueled by data insights. The thing nobody in HR will tell you is that many professionals are waiting too long to gain these new skills. By 2024, companies will likely start prioritizing applicants familiar with AI tools, meaning those without such competencies may find themselves in the unemployment line. While upskilling is essential, investing in capabilities that blend human intelligence with AI proficiency will yield the greatest returns. If you only remember one thing from this, the strategic positioning of your skill set is vital. Data analysis, technical writing, machine learning familiarity. These competencies elevate one's standing in an AI-powered economy. Also, consider roles in AI oversight or ethics. These have begun to carve out a unique niche where human insight is irreplaceable. Insights also reveal that employees excelling in communication and teamwork are increasingly desired. Even in an automated world, these abilities remain crucial. Companies value individuals who can guide AI tools and derive actionable insights from complex data, something machines alone can't yet accomplish. From the data, jobs most vulnerable are often those that haven't evolved. For example, while customer service roles remain critical, the reliance on AI chatbots has led to a decrease in salaries, which are now ranging between $35–55K, significantly lower than several years prior. If you're in a role marked for transition, act now to avoid a stagnant wage or a reduced market value. This is where most people get it wrong. They assume that a degree or job title will secure their future. The workforce is rapidly evolving, and a proactive approach to skill enhancement is your best defense. Continuous learning platforms and online certifications can bolster your worth dramatically, especially if they align with industry demands. As AI continues to shape the workforce, workers in roles surrounded by manual processes, data entry, document review, and other repetitive tasks must act with urgency. Those who refuse to adapt may see their income halved, particularly as job functions dissolve or transform under automation pressure. In conclusion, the future is here. The landscape is shifting, and those who adapt will find opportunities for income growth in more strategic, creative roles. Begin your journey today, invest in your skills, and position yourself on the winning side of this transformation. What skills are you considering to secure your future? That's future proof for today. If this changed how you think about your career, Share it with someone who needs to hear it.